yellow, but this is going to be the wig I'm transforming. It is long as heck. Look at these split ends. Jesus. This color is really cute though. Do you want to focus? This color is like super cute. I'm all for it. All right, y'all, we're gonna give it up for my mannequin, Miss Keisha, because she got to wear this wig in this state. Yes, my mannequin's name is Miss Keisha. Give Miss Keisha a thumbs up.
What's her name?
Keisha.
I thought you just said her name was Shirley.
Because Shirley is fucking gay.
These roots actually don't look as bad as I thought they would. This wig was only like 17 bucks. This is the cheapest wig I have ever bought in my whole life. And I just wanted to challenge myself because I feel like I've been getting a little bored with the everyday wig making and stuff that I've been doing. Look. Oh my God. Look.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah! What the fuck?
Look at this hairline. I'm so sorry, Miss Keisha girl. I'm so sorry. I know you do not want this thing on your head. How far back does it go? Oh wow, we're gonna have to do a whole bunch of manipulation. So there's obviously gonna be quite a bit of work going on, but I wanted to do like a update. I mean, I'm gonna do like an official updated how I do my synthetic wigs video again, because the first one was actually really terrible and I cringe a lot when I watch it, especially when people tell me that's how they found my channel. I'm like, ew, can we not? I'd rather you guys find my channel through like the nipple piercing video than the wig video, because that shit was so cringy. So I'm going to do an update of that video. But all in all, I really like this color. It's really girly. I'm not really into girly colors, but we're gonna try it. It's spring, why the fuck not? And yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do, because I already know I'm about to cut it. I'm too short to be having hair this damn long. I'm 5'2". I can't be having hair this long. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to manipulate the part. I'm just gonna tweeze it with tweezers, nothing fancy. I don't really feel like I have to show you guys me doing that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take Miss Keisha. I'm so sorry, Miss Keisha. And I'm gonna take Miss Keisha and I'm gonna, why are my hands black? What the fuck did I touch? Is that the hair that's making my hands black? Is it? Hold on, let me see. No, it's not the hair. What the fuck did I touch? All right, y'all, when I'm coming back, hopefully Miss Keisha will have a more defined part. We will be back shortly. So I'm plucking this wig, right? What? This is plastic. Like, I thought this was at least gonna be a lace wig. No, this is plastic. I'm not even plucking anymore. I'm literally pulling the hair out. Like, because it's hard. Like, not like difficult, but like this is hard. Like, this is plastic. But I'm gonna fix it with some foundation later when I finesse it. I just want you guys to know, like, this is like Halloween wig for real. But I'm not dissing this company, and this isn't sponsored. I bought this hair with my own money because they do have some pretty nice lace synthetic wigs. This is just the cheapest wig they had, so you get what you pay for. Just letting y'all know, Miss Keisha is not pleased.
Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Alright guys, sorry about this lighting, but this is the wig. It looks awful. It looks awful. Hold on, I'm about to go in my bathroom. I don't think the lighting's gonna be any better, and it's shedding like crazy. Sorry, I'm very short, and sorry, I'm gonna put toilet paper back on the roll, okay? Don't come for me. But this is how long it is. I'm very short, so here. This is how long it is on me right here, and I'm going to cut it because this is too much. This part is so fucking ugly. Jesus. Like, I wish you guys could see it up close. It's so ugly. Not wearing any makeup. Don't come for me about that either. But yeah, I'm about to cut this, and then I'm gonna put some baby hairs on it and see if I could save this wig. And I highly doubt that I'll be able to save it, because it's easier to save a synthetic wig that is a lace front synthetic wig, but bitch, this is straight out the Party City, girl. I'm gonna have to manipulate this. So yeah, I'll be back and I'm going to be cutting this and adding baby hair because this hair is way too long for me. Like, bitch, I look like a fucking crazy person. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding baby hairs, putting on makeup, and try to finesse this a little bit. And I'll see you guys in a second. Girl, who is, I cut it. I'm not the best at cutting. All I could do is like a bob thing. So I cut it to the bob. I don't know if it's the color, but I just don't like this hair on me at all. The baby hairs will not fucking lay down. This looks so bad. This looks so fucking bad. Like, I am challenging you out there, if you are a YouTuber and you watch my channel and you fuck with wigs, I am challenging you to do the Party City wig challenge. And I'm not talking about synthetic wigs, no, because you could slay the fuck out of a synthetic wig. I'm talking about a synthetic wig with no lace, this hard hat ass shit, like, and I want to see y'all slay it. And I tried to do it today and it's not, wow, it's just really bad. Like, it's really bad. I think this color just isn't good on me. The part is fucking awful, bitch. What type of crooked ass part? And I didn't even, like, look at this. Like, the gel isn't taking, I'm just about to, the gel is not taking kindly to the hair to even lay the baby hairs down. So, like, I didn't even want to try to put no heat on it, bitch, because I'm not trying to start a fire up in here. My boyfriend don't come home for another 2 hours, bitch. Who? It was only $17, so I'm not too mad. But like, I'm about to show y'all some of the pictures that these girls posted wearing this wig. How did y'all do that?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
How did y'all do that, ma'am? I'll wait, because that's not what I got. And before I even did anything, this part was like to right here, okay? There are like 2 clips right here, 1 clip in the back, okay? No, ma'am. This wig is about to go right in the trash. I'm wearing any makeup right now because I'm trying to give my skin a rest because, and sorry, my hair is dripping because I washed my hair underneath this wig. I literally washed my hair, combed it out, and put in like a little bun back there and like plopped this wig on because I already knew it was gonna be a fail. It's so shiny. I didn't even care to like put any type of, if this was like a darker pink, maybe I wouldn't be so upset. But this part is so awful. Look at my head, it's shining, it's glistening, bitch. Can you see your fortune, honey? But yeah, it's a no for me, dog.
Oh no, dog. Surprise.
So now that you guys have laughed at my expense, I am doing a giveaway. Hold on, I'm about to get the prize. So let me tell y'all the story behind this giveaway. This is not a sponsored giveaway. I had purchased that that Bobby Boss wig. Do y'all remember the one that's kind of cut like this, but it's purple and it has like a deep part? I'll like insert a picture of me wearing it because I do have one. That one, you guys love that wig, and I'm probably gonna plop that wig on just to give myself the effects of this cut, but like a better hairline and a nice part, you know. I had ordered it, but I had accidentally ordered the wrong color, and then they sent me this one, and it's kind of like, I don't know if you guys could see, but it's kind of like a Beyonce honey brown blonde thing, and I just don't think it would fit my skin tone very well. So I went ahead and I reordered the correct color because it was my bad. It wasn't their fault. I reordered the wrong color, but I was supposed to return it and I forgot. So I'm just gonna take it out the box and show you. But yeah, this is the same exact wig that I had previously. It's just a different color. Still in the box. Oh. Still has all the stuff on it. This is the color. And it's the same exact cut. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with that. I haven't decided how I'm gonna do the giveaway though. Like, what should I do to make you guys enter the giveaway? Oh fuck, now I can't get it back in the goddamn box. Here we go. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. Like, it's gonna be cut like that. It's really cute. I love these type of wigs. They're synthetic, but they look and feel like human hair, and a lot of people don't even realize that I'm wearing a wig when I have it. A lot of people thought that I had really like cut my actual hair into a bob. So I really like these wigs. Not sponsored. This was bought with my own freaking money. Sorry, I'm trying to put this back in the box so it's still pretty when you guys get it. I have not cut the lace, nothing. It's straight out the box, okay? No customization. It's just straight out the box. Just follow me on Twitter. How about that? You have to be following me on Twitter in order to win this giveaway, okay? Follow me on Twitter and then mention me, hashtag Party City Wig Challenge giveaway, okay? Just do hashtag Party City Wig Challenge. I want to enter your giveaway. Just mention me, but you have to be following me, and I'm going to choose from all the people who mention me who gets this wig. And I'll be posting on Twitter the winner, as well as when the deadline is and everything like that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys struggling with me, my cheap ass wig. And I will see you guys next time with makeup on. Yeah, bye.
The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off.